A very good morning to the scholarites. Let's continue our practice zone 3 of chapter number 17, and the name of the chapter is Light. This practice zone is on the page number 261. So we will discuss these questions that are given in this zone. First is, what happens to a light ray when it strikes a smooth and shiny object? Scholarites, as you all know, that if any object is very smooth and very shiny, then this type of object always shows the maximum reflection. And what is reflection? The bouncing back of light ray from the object towards the eye is known as reflection. So if the object surface is very smooth and shiny, then there will be a regular reflection, and thus we will be able to see different objects that surround us. Okay. Question number 2 is, if an incident ray makes an angle of 37 degree with the surface of plane mirror, what are the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection? So you have studied about the both angles, that is incident and reflected angle, that takes place on the smooth surface, and you always know that the incident ray is always equal to the reflected ray. So if the incident ray is given 37 degree, then the reflected ray is also equal to the 53 degree. Okay. Question number 3 now. Why do a few things shine and a few things appear dull? You have seen the variety of things. Some show the lustrous, whereas some are very dull in appearance. So why it is? You are asked about this. So when a regular reflection takes place, that is light bounce back from the polished surface, it appears shiny. Whereas when the light reflects from the irregular surface, the object appears dull. So you can conclude a statement that if the surface is very shiny, or it's new, or it's plain, then the maximum reflection will take place. And whereas if the surface is not smooth, it's irregular, then the object will appear dull. Question number 4 is, why does a new cricket ball appear shiny and brighter than the old ball which has been used for 25 hours? So we have discussed it earlier also, that smooth and plain surfaces reflect the maximum amount of the light, whereas rough and dirt surface do not reflect. It reflects a very, very minimum amount of light. Therefore, a new ball is very clean and very smooth, and it will show the maximum reflection. That's why it will be reflect back the light, and thus we will see the object shining. Whereas if the ball is very old and it has been used for the 24 hours earlier, then its surface will become rough and dirty, and it will reflect very less light, and it will show the dull appearance. That is the main reason. So these are the 4 questions of practice zone 3. I hope you have understood it well. Do revision at your home. Thank you.